No, the smart play is to talk to Galliard. We can find Reed later.
I concur. I want to know more about Megiddo, and Lucius Galliard is the only source we have.
Okay, go. I'll freeze Galliard in place.
Galliard.
Mr. Galliard, my name is Anna Grimsdottir. I'm calling on behalf of Tom Reed at 3rd Echelon.
I know who you are. I just finished talking with your boss. What does Reed want now?
Director Reed felt that the resolution that you two came to probably wasn't satisfactory for all sides, and was wondering if you'd be open to further discussion on the matter.
You really shouldn't talk to Grim like that.
Guards! Where the hell are my guards?
It's just you and me, Lucius. Let's talk. What's your connection with Reed?
If you ask nicely, I'd tell you. He's just hired help. God, you're thick. This is bigger than Reed, bigger than 3rd Echelon. They're just convenient.
So why does Reed want you out of town?
Ugh. Your enhanced interrogation techniques need work. He wants to run the show when the EMPs are triggered. There's 3 of them, scattered around the city. In a few hours, they go off, and he gets to play commando. There are people he wants to impress.
The EMPs. Where do I find them?
Say please. I don't know. That's part of the plan. See? You can't stop it, Fisher. It's too big. It's too late. And the people I work for, this is just part of what they've got going on.
Megiddo. Who are they?
Try harder, Fisher.
Megiddo. Who are they?
They're the ones who run this town. In Moscow and Beijing and any other place that matters. They're the ones who are going to get me out of this in one piece. And once Reed is finished at the White... It's all Reed now.
Damn it.
Officer in trouble!
Sam, what's happening?
Galliard's dead. The shooter's running.
We need him alive. He may be our only link between 3rd Echelon and Megiddo.
I've got a visual. He's on the stage. He just ducked into the VIP tent. Hurry up, Sam. We'll lose him.
Waiting for you! Fuck, he's got a gun! Come here, Fisher. Waiting for you!
Over the fence.
Attention all units, we have an officer in trouble at Lincoln Memorial. All units in the vicinity.
Use non-lethal force when dealing with the police. No killing. President's orders.
This guy's a cop killer!
Sam? I'm waiting for you.
Man! Are you not a hero? Sweep the area fast! Send back
He's
up
waiting
now.
for you again, Sam.
All here for you, bitch. Come on!
He jumped down. Keep going, dead ahead. The large tent in front of you. He ducked into it.
crew down here. Now! There's some psycho. Now, what part of him? He's got a gun and... Now, just get someone...
He's outside and on the move again, Sam.
Officer in trouble!
Suspect! Too late! Too late! I'm out!
Heads up, Sam. Police are pulling back from the location.
Any idea why?
I'll tap into their Como to find out.
Everybody out! Now!
I'm seeing him exit the cafe. He's headed for the parkway, Sam. He's headed for that car. We're going to lose him. Sam, are you all right?
In theory.
Put it into practice. There are multiple 3rd Echelon squads converging on your position right now.
What about the cops?
3rd Echelon called them off when they rolled up the shooter.
Then the gloves are off. I need a ride out of here.
The Secret Service agent who brought you in is on his way to extract you. But until he gets there, you're on your own.
Move it! Move it!
Sam, a second wave of operatives is on its way.
Cover the doors! Hostile spot! First floor! Splinter! Contact! He's out there! I'm reloading! Cover me! Get in there, go! Target is hiding. Fisher's a pro. Be smart. Take out the target. I'll keep you covered. I'm moving in. Locate the target and eliminate. Contact!
There's another batch coming at you, Sam.
It's Fisher. There he is.
Time to go, Sam. Your ride is here.
Where?
On the bridge behind the cafe. Go.
Keep firing. Fisher's in there.
Get to the bridge. Your ride is waiting for you.
Fisher.